Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're up here for the Iron Rock event on the Iron Range.
We just get here and anyways, Eric finds me, which was kind of nice. And anyways, he gets a call. Well, actually, Abby got a call.
And we just got a call for recovery at the bottom of the gorge. So we're heading there.
Abby got a call saying that there was assistance needed at the gorge. So, it's hurry up and wait for all the wheelers to come off the road that we need to get to the gorge.
Riding in the truck with us today is Jaden and Abby. We can take a core road or a core trail all the way to the bottom of the gorge. I don't know what the call is for. The gorge is a hard rock crawl. I have no idea what's wrong, what the vehicle is, anything like that. I was just told to go to the bottom of the gorge. That's the beginning of the gorge, and this core trail parallels it, so we'll creep along here and see if we can find who needs our help.
Where the trouble is, who knows?
Supposedly it's one with a broken axle shaft, but the axle isn't walking out the side. It's a JK, and he's trying to limp it up out of the gorge. But if he gets pieces locked up in the rear differential and can't move, we'll go down and get him. I tried. Why are you recording?
What happened?
It was a false alarm, so the axle wasn't walking out yet. He was kind of in a bad situation, but they used the winch and got it out and came up the exit ramp and back to the parking lot. So they didn't need us. False alarm. Got skunked again. It looks like this group is going to run over here and do Lone Pine Rock Crawl. Should we tag along?
We're going on the Lone Pine Rock Crawl. This is the first time that I've done any of the rock stuff here, and it should be interesting. And the key is follow the directions of your spotter and go slow. hope I aimed right.
Now, you see that one rock in the
Yeah.
center? That's the one you kind of got to stay a little bit more driver here, but this is better off. You're a little bit driver here, so you're up on top of this thing. So just a hair driver. There you go. Now you can start straightening it out. Yep. You're going down.
Thank you, dear.
Got it.
needs just a little slight tug back so she can repick her line. Looks like she found the right line this time. Well, Ari had a little issue with some power steering fluid spewing out the cap. I don't know, it's pretty hot out today, and working it like this, I'm not surprised. But anyway, we're back on the move now. Gotta run flat.
Get off the trail.
Well, good thing I got run flats in there so I could get out. Now we just got to change the tire. Yes, I do have a spare for the front on a Hummer wheel with a run flat and everything. Remember, I put it together before we headed to the Wrecker games, but I don't carry it on the Wrecker. I don't really have a spot for it. It was back at camp on the deck of the Top Kick.
Going back to camp, to the Top Kick, and getting the spare tire for the Wrecker.
See, now you got your tire. Now go back to work. So we have our audience, Miss Gail.
What's happening?
And Jean.
Cheesy Whip.
And Pinky. And Eric's doing all the work.
I drove.
Oh, Gal drove.
I drove.
There's one boo-boo. And look at that. I'm done.
Well, we got the spare on so we could keep playing for the rest of the day and be ready for any recoveries. You'll have to watch the next video to see what else happens that day. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
See back there, that's the dead tire that's cut in two places. The rocks up here are really nasty on tires. So remember, when you come up to the Iron Range Off-Road Park, you may have to drive it home. So take care of your tires.